it all by yourself? Go get it. Oh boy, here we go. Careful. Oh man, Ryan. He's going for the drops. She's so cute. Are you gonna go in? Oh no, we're gonna have to go change your clothes, Ellie. She loves the rain. Ellie, do you love the rain? The rain. Hi, beautiful girl. Oh, how was she? What?
Your car's going to report you for child abuse. Your daughter's in the rain. She's wet. She's shaking.
Hey, Ellie, let me see your face. Oh, you're wet. She loves it, guys. It's so cute. She wants to go all the way in that big puddle.
I'm getting cold, Mama.
Come here, babe. Come here, babe. Want to come back? Oh, she's giggling. Look at her. Come here, Ellie. She doesn't want to come back. Ellie, Mommy's out here. You want to come to Mama? You're soaking wet. Come to Mama. Rain. Elizabeth.